Happy New Year and welcome to Elemental, Vedanta Aluminium's monthly newsletter. Bringing you all the latest updates, this is Jhalak Shastri from Vedanta Balco's corporate communications team. Let's dive right in.
The Prime Minister of India's flagship PM internship program calls on students to learn and intern with the country's top 500 companies. Vedanta Aluminium featured among these companies and successfully onboarded 19 interns at its Jharsuguda facility in Odisha. It also onboarded 4 interns in the Balco facility. Meanwhile, Balco hosted the annual Residence Business Plan Workshop chaired by CEO Rajesh Kumar. The goal-setting workshop focused on a detailed roadmap for achieving the 1 MTPA milestone for Balco's iconic smelter. David Stone, CEO of Coal Mines, hosted a 2-day management operation system training focusing on change management, leadership, and operational excellence. They also launched an operational dashboard at the Jamkhani coal mine, which integrates real-time data to optimize performance and automate processes. At Vedanta Jharsuguda, the Growth Project Gurukul Training Center was inaugurated. The center will host interactive safety training sessions supporting Vedanta's Zero Harm goal. Similarly, Vedanta Lanjigarh concluded a 10-day SYS CAT training resulting in a model for the 3 MTPA refinery that stimulates plant scenarios to improve efficiency. Balco marked the 3rd anniversary of Suraksha Sankalp, its flagship safety initiative. The unit also hosted an ISO 45001 training for employees and launched phase 2 of its critical risk management workshop to strengthen safety and operational excellence. Vedanta Lanjigarh observed Energy Conservation Week by raising awareness among employees in the community, conducting a training on effective energy management systems and observing the Earth Hour. Moving on to sports, Vedanta archery students secured 7 medals at the DAV National Sports Meet in Delhi, including 4 silver, 2 bronze and 1 gold. In the cricket world, the Balco Premier League 2024-25 is packed, featuring 144 teams including both male and female participants. Importantly, Kalinga Lancers make a fresh comeback at the prestigious Hockey India League with Vedanta as the new team owners. Catch all the live action on DD Sports, Sony Sports Network and Sony Live, and cheer for the team that includes celebrated international players from India and around the world. World AIDS Day was observed across Vedanta Aluminium with HIV/AIDS awareness campaigns, including health camps, school sessions, street plays and a mini marathon. Balco celebrated the International Day of Persons with Disabilities with a special dance performance by students with hearing impairments. To promote menstrual health and hygiene, Balco organized a workshop for 100 teachers. At Vedanta General Cargo Berths, menstrual hygiene awareness sessions were held, benefiting 143 women. Vedanta celebrated Kisan Divas by honoring progressive farmers and demonstrating modern farming practices. Balco, in collaboration with BIOF, inaugurated a livestock development center for rural communities. In healthcare, Balco Medical Center and Balco Hospital organized a 4-day-long free cancer detection camp, benefiting more than 140 community members and employees. VGCB tied up with Apollo Hospitals to organize community medical and eye camps, benefiting 120 patients. In skill training, VGCB's Project Disha successfully trained 30 women as inventory controllers. Of these, 26 women received job offers from companies like Amazon and Sunrise Solutions. The Aluminium Mines team inaugurated the first skill training center with Dakshata in Sundargarh. With 105 students enrolled, the center offers courses like sewing, food and beverage and electrician training. Meanwhile, Lanjigarh's Vedanta Skill Training Initiative secured 100% placement for its 13th batch. In Koraput, Vedanta supported Parab 2024, a tribal folk festival with over 10,000 attendees, celebrating local culture and vibrant displays of art, music and dance. As the year came to a close, Vedanta Aluminium celebrated Christmas and New Year with fun festivities across all units. Secret Santa games, Christmas carnivals in the township and the New Year parties brought festive cheer to employees and families. Vedanta Jharsuguda received the Kalinga Safety Excellence Award and won the IME Excel Award for Manufacturing Excellence. At the Frost & Sullivan Awards, Vedanta Jharsuguda clinched 3 honors: Future Ready Factory, Consistency Aspirant, and the second runner-up prize for Indian Corporate of the Year. Balco clinched several prestigious awards including the Business World SCM Leadership Award and the Best Fire Safety Management Award from GrowCare India. Vedanta Lanjigar also shone at the 3rd CII National Circle Competition and the Energy Conservation Award for 2024.
That's all for today. For all the latest updates, follow our social media handles. Thank you. See you next time.